Hello guys, welcome to the most beautiful city in the world, Marrakech.
I like the swimming pool. I like the way they've done it. Seamless. She's driving like 140, 150, and I'm just struggling to keep up. Where the PC in?
If you want to stay motivated, go for it.
We are here in Rabat, so we just got to Buznikha. I'm gonna have a little morning swim, a little cold plunge.
Boss is happy. We just closed 3 new deals right now. About to buy two more houses on the way. You know, we're talking about it like a Snickers bar, but this is just it's just we're in a constantly good mood these days. Why do you think that's Allah's best customer?
Do you know why?
No.
I think because around 15% of our money, our revenue, goes to charity. And on top of that, of course, we give our own zakat. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Abdul. He's one of our agents.
Trusted
very,
agents.
very well connected. He's helping us with this land and other developments, inshallah. And here we go.
Hello guys, welcome to the most beautiful city in the world, Marrakech. This is the future. Next to the mountain Atlas.
Unknown location.
Amazing
Unknown
nature.
location. Listen, if you guys want the off-market deals and you want the good deals, reach out to us. We'll put you in touch with Abdul, inshallah. Right here, it's owned by one of the Qatar prince. So we're thinking, buy it, build next to them. Hopefully they try to buy us out. This is 19 hectares of land. So there's 6 villas, 19 times. We're looking to build a huge complex here. Inshallah, looking at 100 to 150 million GDV. We've raised finance, Allahumma barak, and yeah, we'll keep you guys in touch on how it goes. Man, this agent is amazing. You know how many times I have asked people, find me land with roads. Basically, long story short, look at this. This is a main road. This is what I need because I need it to be perfect. So when my land is here, I can continue this road and make it good. What they do is they get me land down there where we've got this type of road, and this road is just like rubble. But I can't build and fix it because I don't own it. I've got to own close to the main, if that makes sense. Because if you've got, for example, luxury, imagine I'm building a complex and we've got G-Wagons, we've got Uruses, Ferraris, Lambos, and they're coming in. They're not going to want to buy when roads are like that. You wouldn't want to drive your car there. And honestly, it's a big developing factor, especially if you're purchasing 8 to 10 million dirhams, you know, anywhere from $500,000 to €1 million. So I'm happy, man. Alhamdulillah, it's nice. The weather's nice. Yeah, well, it's reaching like 35 degrees next week. Alhamdulillah, we're back to back with meetings today with students, getting them to close multiple properties from rent to SA, closing deals on deal sourcing, going to investors, and just purchasing property or some land ground up developments. Today we've had about almost 15 hours. We're going to have worth of meetings today, so probably won't be done until midnight. But inshallah, not too much from today's vlog, but we'll have more tomorrow.
Little people, little Sunday. Getting the car wash right now. And we got here. Say hello to the vlog. Sahbi, Lebes. Got a little meeting at Port. So the guy said, come chill in here, man. I'm the manager of the office. So unfortunately on this occasion, you are fired due to your lackluster performance in this past coming month. What do you have to say for yourself? Why should I not fire you?
I think that as a responsible employer, first and foremost, you should consider my rights as an employee. Second, after that, you should at least try to enact some kind of disciplinary action to improve performance before resorting to a final and permanent...
Sorry, but this is not human resources in the UK. We don't have any employment laws in this country, right? We may do. However, they do not qualify and they're not bound, legally binding in this country. Fine. So my word is the final say. You have one more strike left. Otherwise, you'll be booted out the door. Don't slam the door on your way out. On our way to a little viewing. Orica Road. Look at the lovely little mountains, man. It's a bedroom, ensuite, big nice window. This place is sick, man. Basically, all the rooms have a view, like she said. Like this. Got TV in here. This is like a utility room. Bro, this is a proper log, a tree log. That's crazy. Kitchen is not bad. Oh man, this is a real nice setting, man. Guys, if I wasn't doing this viewing, I would actually stay here. Look at that view, man. I like the swimming pool. I like the way they've done it. Seamless. And then you've got here a nice area here. You can have like your barbecue, campfire, It's really nice, man. And you have the garden at the back. So guys, basically what we're doing right now, we're on a viewing for one of our students. Beautiful, beautiful villa in off Amazons Road, and we're just about to go see the second one. So now we're just on this lovely piece of land, just about to exit the first villa. But look at this though. Look at the views. Wow, mashallah, mashallah. Nice and peaceful, away from the Medina, away from the busy, busy, hectic Marrakech. Get a couple hectares and just ghost from the outside world. That's the way to move, that's the way to do it, man. Swear to God, yeah, I'm on the second viewing. Yeah, driving to the second viewing. And this agent, and I kid you not, she's driving like 140, 150. And I'm just struggling to keep up. She's booting. But we've just arrived. Property number 2. This is for one of our other students. Just checking it out, specking it out, and seeing if it's a good fit. That's that premium one-to-one service on our mentorship program. Tell me one other mentor that does this for their students. Very rare. So yeah, this is just the level of service that we like to provide. We do things properly. The pool area, swimming pool area. It's got 6 bedrooms. They're just doing a little bit of work there. To be fair, the tiling is nice. Bathroom. So basically he's doing an extra room here. This used to be just part of the terrace. I did like an extra bedroom, done an extension. It's a nice outdoor space, nice outdoor area. Bedroom.
Maybe 16 people.
16 people in total, yeah. شحال دابا بنيتيها؟ شحال من عام؟
هادي تقريبا واحد 4 سنين.
4 سنين.
Yes, 4 years.
شي بزاف.
لا ماشي بزاف. انا شو en train de changer parce que عندي الناس يحبوا بزاف تاع لي لي. Avant j'avais juste un double lit, mais الناس قال لك non, on veut plus de lits.
Garden.
L'entrée principale ça va être là. Voilà, عندك les bananiers.
هذا البير.
Ouais, ça c'est le but. من هنا من يدخل les clients.
Hello. Hey, what's good? Oh, he's on smoke extension.
Il y a plus de chambres. Il y a 8 chambres.
Oh, 8 bedrooms, but the extension, okay. So it's like a little extra 8 bedrooms area. بحال قلتي hotel style.
Voilà, exactement.
Yeah, وهذا
Ça
البيسين.
va être le jardin. La piscine plus son jardin.
I just came back from a viewing, yeah, for a villa, and now, where am I? I'm literally in the middle of First Road, and I said I have to stop. Why? Because I saw some delah. Oh boy, we have to get out. I've been here for 2 weeks and I still ain't got no delah. That's crazy. السلام عليكم. كي داير اخويا بخير؟ دلاح كي داير لهاد العام؟ حلو، بدنا نذوق شوية. كذا جايز، إن شاء الله. حمالين. تبارك الله تبارك الله.
هاني معك مرضي ويد.
Oops. Got some melon as well. Oh my God, I love Morocco. I love Morocco. Just got a 16 or 17, 18, I think it was 18 kilos watermelon. Guess how much it cost me? How much does it cost in the UK or ends? £4 for a tiny little slice, yeah? Cost me £5 for 18 kilos. A whole watermelon. I love Morocco. I love it. £7, let's say, for the watermelon and the melon, and I got change. Oh, crazy, crazy, crazy. Having breakfast at this place. It's a nice little Riyadh setting. Look at that. Say hello to the vlog, man. Busy day today?
No,
Nah.
chilled day, watching a movie. Psych. I ain't stuck in the 95 Matrix.
Nah, bro. Every day is wild. There's no breaks. You don't sleep on the job.
You do not sleep on your job. If you
Left.
sleep, you drive a Nissan.
Nah, you don't sleep. Anyways, bro, just wanted to check up on you on the vlog, but tell them goodbye, say a little nice message for them.
Guys, if you want to stay motivated, go for it.
So we're just on another viewing with a student who wanted to get a villa here as well in the Kenza. We had another student, Valentina, who got one here. This is the entrance. Nice swimming pool. Got a terrace up there, got an open lounge there. Let's go inside. Nice big lounge. Kitchen. So we actually helped source this one for one of our students who's on our VIP mentorship. You know, we just get sent these daily because of our contacts. So one of the main benefits of working with us. Big open space lounge. شحال من شومبر فيها خويا؟ ثلاثة الفوق. تزيد شلون. Oh, it's got two separate access to the kitchen. Let's go downstairs. You can make another bedroom here. This is what's this, a bathroom? This is nice. Open another lounge. Yeah, there's a lot of potential here, to be fair. What's this thing upstairs? Another little studio ensuite here. Put a little terrace area down there.
Alhamdulillah, we're here about to meet Lawrence, Valentino's business partner. Valentino's part of our coaching program, and he's just got one of his rent to SA units. So yeah, he's doing rent to Airbnb. Looks nice. About to see what it looks like. Close on the deal, negotiate the terms, and start bringing in the lag. Inshallah. So inside the complex, looks nice. I actually really like it. We'll definitely close on it. I think they wanted 40,000. Valentino brought it down to 35. Trying to get a little cheeky 30k. But one of the rooms, walk-in wardrobe. I can get used to this. Nice and clean. Water works. In case you guys don't know, the method here, this villa is probably £500,000, £600,000. What you can do is rent it from the owner. The owner might want, for example, £2,000-3,000, but then you rent it for like £300 per night, and you could really optimize the profitability. Now, there are people, owners, who don't want the headache, can't be bothered, they make good money, they want to park their cash. So we control a £500,000, 600k asset, but then we make profit from it by putting it on service accommodation platforms. But alhamdulillah, it's looking really good. We got the pool there, and yeah, looks nice. Big kitchen, basically like a second living room. We've got bedrooms down there. It's like a little apartment. You could even rent the downstairs and then have the upstairs because it's got its own little access. Tray area, very nice. One of the bedrooms. And we've got a bathroom right here. Oh, little hammam. Nice. Viewing went absolutely sensational. We met the owner as well, took down his number so we can network with him. But it went very well, the bedrooms and everything. There's small minor defects, but we spoke to the vendor. He's more than happy to make those changes. The guy's bare cool. So, you know, when you meet people easygoing like that, you just go with the deal, because you know if there are anything in the future, he's not going to be harsh about it. If you get those ones that are iffy and, you know, come at this time, if you don't come, I'm going to leave, you don't want to deal with them. But nice complex, very nice. Complex is nice. Price is good, 35,000 dirhams. Negotiated from 45,000. Yeah, I like it. Close community as well. Share your thoughts on it.
Can't have anything to say, mate. All good. Good location. Price is relatively, you know, decent. The owner's amazing, friendly. It was great place to start. And it's a known complex.
Yeah, 100%. Very good find from Valentino. Very good find. We trained him well, huh?
That's what we do, man.
Or is he too elite?
That's what we do. He's got more to do.
He's got more to do. We've got big plans for
next step. Unlock. He needs to unlock the next level.
He's getting another one soon. Valentino, this is 8th or 9th villa now.
It's crazy, man.
Alhamdulillah, I'm making
what, 3 months?
3 months of being with us. This guy's on $10,000 more a month. Allah Mabarak, Allah Mabarak. Yusuf, what are you thinking?
MashaAllah.
You like the complex?
100%. It was amazing.
Good. Alright, now we're off for some personal viewings. We need to get some land, looking at 11 to 20 hectares, looking to build anywhere from 60 to 80 villas. So we're meeting our agent Abdul. Looked really good. I don't know if you guys can see that with the pool and everything.
Oh, I stayed there last year.
Yeah.
No.
He's got it for 3.1 million. Do you think it's a lot or it's bizarre? It's big though.
How big?
117 square meters. I'll keep you guys updated with what's going on.
Oh, we are here in Rabat. It's a lovely Jumu'ah day. Jumu'ah Mubarak. I love Rabat. It's all so green and nice and clean. It's the cleanest city in Morocco, man, by far. But yeah, we're just here to see some family, run some errands as well. So I'll be here for like 4 or 5 days. Yeah, have a little weekend, spend a little weekend in Rabat. So we just got to Buznikha. We're checking into one of my apartments. So we recently got this like a year ago. Just finished the place out. Just finished. Now we're gonna, and it's been furnished as well. So I'm coming in to stay here for a few days since I'm in Rabat. Thought I'll stay in here for a couple of days rather than going somewhere else. I like Buznikha, man. To be fair, they done a good job though. They done a pretty good job. furniture is gonna get changed. Got a little coffee table. Kitchen's alright. Got a little small balcony. Not too bad at all, mate. Not too bad at all. Let's see what the view's saying. Opened up the shutters. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Might go in there for a little morning swim. A little cold plunge. Road trip done. I'm gonna wake up early, go do some quick work, got some things to sort out, deals to analyse. Boom, and then tomorrow we're off to Rabat, see the family. And yeah, have a good night everyone. Take care, peace, I'm out.